Hey folks, we're going to be changing the oil in our new 2025 RAV4 XLE today. I've never done this job myself, but we'll learn together. Going with the Fram full synthetic oil filter and the Pennzoil 0W16 full synthetic as well. That's what they call for. So that's what we're going to go with. Start with the oil, drain the oil first. It's a 14 millimeter full drain plug. I always clean off the drain plug really well too. There might be some fillings on there, and most of them are magnetic. This one seems to be pretty good, so it's a brand new car, so should be fine. We'll clean it anyway, give it a cleaning. Let that drain for a little bit. Okay, so that's draining. We'll get the oil filter ready. Light, very light. A little bit of oil around the seam. I should just dab it off a little bit. You don't need much. So now they're just dripping a little bit. That's usually pretty good enough for me anyway. So we'll clean that area off around the drain plug. Put the drain plug back in, put the oil filter on, and fill it with oil. I'm sure there's a torque setting for this, but call me old school. Do it to German settings, good and tight. Okay, clean off the oil filter. The factory oil filter was on way too tight. It doesn't have to be that tight. Just snug them up good. It goes from 4.5 to 4.8 liters of oil. We are going to start. See where we're at. So 3.
I like to just check for any leaks or anything before I start it up. Make sure everything's good. Okay, looks good. I don't know. It might be a little bit more. I think we're good. You could use another half a liter, so we'll put that in. Perfect. Little 3/4 between the two dots on the stick. I don't hope you can see that. Where we want it. It's perfect. And so, as life goes, sometimes you forget to do things. And I forgot to put the cover back on underneath. So, before I let it down. So, I'm going to crawl under there and put that back on. So we tried it without jacking the car back up, and that didn't work. So I just jacked up to one side. Tight. Seen some other videos on changing the oil on these cars, and something that they never show is how to reset, because you get the maintenance is due alarm when you start the car. It's not an alarm, it's just a notification, I guess. Okay, so that pops up. So to reset that, we're gonna go back. Scroll over until you see vehicle settings, go down to that, hold the OK button for a couple seconds, it'll pop up, go down to maintenance schedule and reset that. That's it. So you gotta do that, or it'll just keep popping up until you need to do the maintenance. But now we've done it, so we don't need the maintenance. One of the things I like to do is just record when I do the maintenance on the vehicles. Just put the date, the kilometers, what I did, oil change. My writing is horrible, I know. And then the oil filter I used and the oil that I used, that's all. I'll do that for everything. And just for the record, this is just the way I do it. I'm sure there's other people out there have different ways of doing it, but it's a pretty simple job, but just regular maintenance you gotta do on any vehicle. And that's how I do it. So I'm sure there'll be some comments on a better way to do it or something I did wrong, and that's cool, man. I don't mind. It's I love the feedback. So keep watching.